Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 9th. Subject code is 402. Today we are going to start part B and unit 2 data entry and keyboarding skills. Our first topic is use keyboard and mouse for data entry. In this video, you are going to learn keyboarding skills, types of keys on the keyboard, numeric keyboard and home keys. Our first topic is keyboarding skills. You are all aware about the computer keyboard. It is the most common input device. Do you know why it is called input device? Because with the help of keyboard, we can put the data into the computer. A computer generally has more than 100 keys. Let's learn about different types of keys of the keyboard. First one is alphanumeric keys. There are alphabet keys from A to Z and the numbers are 0 to 9. Total 26 alphabet keys and 0 to 9 total 10 numbers are there. Punctuation keys. All the keys associated with punctuation like comma, full stop, semicolon, brackets, and parentheses. These are called punctuation keys. Plus sign, minus sign, and equal signs are also called the punctuation keys. Alt key. It is called an alternate key. Arrow keys. We all know that there are four types of arrow keys: up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, and left arrow. Shift key. To move the cursor in more than one position at a time, we use the shift key. Backspace key. It is used to delete the character to the left of the cursor. Caps lock key. It is called a toggle key. When we switch on the caps lock key, all the alphabets gets typed in uppercase. Control key. It is used in conjunction with other keys to produce control characters. Delete key. It is used to delete the character to the right of the cursor, but it doesn't move the cursor. Enter key or return key. It is used to enter commands or to move the cursor to the beginning of the next line. Escape key. It is used to send special code to devices and to exit from programs and tasks. Function keys. We all know that there are 12 functions key from F1 to F12. They have some specific functions. Numeric keypad. It is just like a simple calculator. It is normally located on the right side of the computer keyboard and it contains numbers from 0 to 9, plus sign, minus sign, multiplication sign and division sign, and decimal point also. And it has enter key also. It may also work on the dual mode. When we switch on the numlock button, a light will be displayed and numbers will be active. And on the other hand, when you switch off the numlock, a light will be off and the keys right arrow, left arrow, up arrow, page up and page down will be activated. Home keys. On the keyboard, the keys A, S, D, F, and from the right hand we use semicolon L, K, J. As you can see on the picture, A, S, D, F from the left hand and semicolon L, K, J are called the home keys. Thank you.